and today we're going to be doing a updated makeup collection, and I haven't done a makeup collection in forever, but yeah, I know I have a lot of makeup, so if you leave any hate comments, you're going to get blocked. So yeah, let's get started. So this is where we keep the makeup. So we're going to start with this white drawer right here. Okay, here we have some eyeshadow palettes, like the Jaclyn Hill Morphe stuff and stuff like that. There's like Chanel, MAC, Morphe, Bare Minerals, those are colors, Dior, Hourglass, and things like that. And here we got some skin finishes from MAC, and then some blushes and powders. And here we just have a bunch of eyelashes, and half of them are from Shop Miss A. And here we just have some anonymous stuff that we just use for videos. And the next set of white drawers, we have ColourPop and NYX. In the next drawer we have AOA, MAC, there's some other brands like single colored eyeshadow, there's some Milani in there, and Wet n Wild. In here we have some makeup palettes, more like quads and stuff like that. There's some Wet n Wild, Sandy Cash, Elf. These are all drugstore. And here we have a bunch of palettes like Morphe, Pure, BH Cosmetics, and like more higher end palettes. And this one, we have more higher end palettes, like all the Naked palettes, some IT palettes, some Urban Decay, Huda Beauty, and stuff like that. In the very bottom, we have more Huda Beauty and more higher end palettes like Kylie and everything like that. And then the next set of drawers have bronzers, and these are all types of bronzers. MAC, Chanel, Hoola, Elf, Smashbox, LA Colors. And here we have a bunch of highlighters. These are all drugstore highlighters. So like AOA, ColourPop, Wet n Wild, and Revolution, Elf. In the next drawer, we have some higher end highlighters like Cover FX, Becca, Anastasia, Naked, Kylie, Dior, Stila, and stuff like that. In this one, we have all our single blushes, and we have Milani, we have, what's this brand? Benefit and Too Faced, and things like that. And here we have more blushes. We have like ColourPop blushes, more Too Faced peach blushes, some MAC, yeah, these are MAC, and then Tarte, MAC, and stuff like that. And there's one more drawer down here, and we have a bunch of blushes and a space that won't fit in the other ones. Okay, now next set of drawers, we have some powders, and this is like translucent powders and stuff to set with. This one was the higher end one. And here we have the lower brand like Airspun, AOA, L'Oreal, stuff like that. And here we have all our foundations. These are higher end foundations. So we have like Huda, Chanel, Dior, and stuff like that. And here we have L'Oreal and BH Cosmetics. Yeah, BH, Elf, and these are like our drugstore foundations. And here we have nothing, and then in here we have nothing. So starting with these clear drawers, this is all our Halloween stuff. So in here we have latex and stuff we use for Halloween. In this drawer, we have liquid lipsticks, and we have like all types of liquid lipsticks in here. And this one, we also have liquid lipsticks. And this one, we have lip crayons. And this one, we have some chapstick and some lip glosses. And lip scrubs. This one is all like chapstick. This one is lip gloss and like lipstick finishes and stuff like that. And here we just have our regular lipsticks. There's like MAC and Lorac and stuff like that. And here we have these little Stila paint eyeshadows. And here we have one Huda one, but I want to get more, so this is where it's going to go. And here we have more liquid eyeshadows from Jordana, e.l.f., and any really. And here I got pigments from like Smolder and Craft Obean. And this one we have more like pigments from like MAC and stuff. And this one we have like more like glitters. And we have like the little glue and everything. Nice give a drawer. So this one has the jelly stuff from Wet n Wild. And here's our concealer. And this one's so big it won't close. So then we have more concealer in this. And this one we have some just eye primers. Like every single eye primer we own is in this drawer. And this we have face primers. We have face primers in this one. And here it's all brushes from like these down. And then here we have new stuff that we haven't tried out yet. So it's gonna be in like upcoming videos. So and then these we have brushes, and then these we have sponges, and then these are empty. And then here we have setting sprays and primers, more higher end primers. Then up here we have Revolution and Profusion palettes, all lined up. Then here we have some sample products that we keep. Then in here we have more sample products like skincare. And then we have more palettes in here, like Morphe, Jaclyn Hill, Morphe, like this one, Natural Love, Lorac, and Natasha Denone, and stuff like that. So then, over on this wall, we have most of our Morphe palettes, and then most of our Coastal Scents palettes, and BH Cosmetics, like the 120 eyeshadow palettes. Then, over here, we just have some little double-ended brushes, and then here we have liners, eyebrow materials, eyeliner, mascaras, eye crayons, and here we have lip pencils. Then over here we just have all our eye brushes. And then we have some face brushes right there, and then some other miscellaneous stuff right there. So that was it. So that was my completed makeup collection, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will list all the drawers that I've got down below in the description box if you want to know where I got them and you want to make a collection of your own. So I'll see you guys next time on Miss Slipper 12. Bye!